Hello guys, welcome to Filament Daily. Today let's talk about customization of Auth emails provided by Filament, which under the hood uses Laravel features. And the idea as usual comes from Filament Discord, so the question is how to add a personalized greeting, for example, username here in addition to hello. And we released a tutorial on that on Laravel Daily, and I will link that in the description below. And in this video, I will kind of summarize it, read it, and comment the pieces. So by default, you can enable registration or reset password, for example, in your Filament panel provider. And this is where I immediately scroll down to the end of the tutorial because this is the actual end result. And our goal is to enable the feature of Filament like register or password reset and override the class responsible for that. So adding that greeting could be an easy task, but I wanted to show you the full concept of how to override anything in the authorization emails, both on Filament and on Laravel layer. So if we scroll back, this is the plan. We need to create a new Laravel notification class, so you need to know how notifications work in Laravel. Then we create a new Filament page that would extend the default reset password or default registration page if you're working with registration auth emails. Then in that page, we need to use our new notification class and then finally add that page, as you saw already, to the admin panel provider. So we create a Laravel notification, email notification, and then the text of that notification, that to mail, could be copied from the original Laravel email, which is actually linked in this article. So this links to the GitHub of Laravel framework, and inside of the vendor, you have auth notification emails, including reset password. So we can copy and paste that into our new notification class, changing just what we need. And what we need is this part, notifiable name. Everything else is default Laravel. Next, we generate a new Filament page with make Filament page and change what it extends. It should extend the base request password reset from the Filament pages, and we don't need those navigations or views because they will come from the parent. What we need is to copy one function from that base class, the function request, which actually sends the email. And this comes from Filament core. From vendor, we don't need to change anything there except for one line. We don't need that notification URL anymore, and then that reset password notification comes from our notification that we just generated. So I didn't change anything in the code. What I changed is this. Instead of use Filament notifications reset password, we use our own app notifications reset password notification. Same class name, just from different namespace. And yeah, we scroll down again to the end of the tutorial, which you saw already. The result is username, notifiable name inside of the email. So yeah, this is just one example, but based on that example, I wanted to show you how to override anything in Filament auth emails, because you override the Filament page reserved for that or Laravel notification class running under the hood. If you want more videos on Filament, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to support the channel, the link is here actually in the same tutorial. FilamentExamples.com is our premium kind of repository of Filament projects, bigger and smaller, like appointment system, invoice editor, charts, LMS, CRM, CMS, and stuff like that. So you can purchase all those examples for one price of $99 at the moment. And that would include the access to all the future components and examples we will release here in the future. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.